Okay, we hired an Italian van and took it around Tasmania because Kelsey
Hello!
enjoys planning road trips. And this road trip, spoiler alert, was a good one. What you're about to watch is a part of that road trip around Tasmania, which took weeks of planning, 3 weeks of travelling, and months of editing. This is editing me.
So here's the next part of our Tasmanian road trip.
Hey Kelsey,
Hey Aaron,
what is your highlight of today?
you have a really yellow tooth.
Do I? Alright.
That helped. Yeah, I don't know what was on it.
Kelsey,
Hey Aaron.
what was your highlight of today?
My highlight today was going on the walk to Hazards Beach. And we're at Hazards at the moment, swimming in the clearest of waters. And we swam in Hazards Beach and it was beautiful. Yeah, this is my highlight of the day. So beautiful. What was your highlight?
Yeah, everything around that hill.
So the same as my highlight?
Yeah, my highlight is the same as your highlight.
Up and go. And then Freycinet.
So we're going to go to the right.
Freycinet.
That way. Okay, you're going to have to tell us where we are.
Yeah, because Aaron doesn't know.
I don't know.
So we're at the Wineglass Bay lookout, Carpark, and we're about to go climb up to the top for the lookout, which is very, very steep. And then we're going to complete the loop down to Hazards Beach. So probably a swim at Hazards Beach.
Quite busy here this morning. Everybody here for the New Year's Day walk. Curiously positioned. Everybody says that.
Oh.
Big guys. How we do here. Pretty strong steel cable here in Australia. These three here are keeping that boulder in place.
I feel like people would read that and be like, that's Jane Alice?
Oh jeez.
Jeez.
We're in for a long day today.
Well, we don't have to come back up this. You literally go downhill and majority of the rest of the walk's flat.
So that was all the climbing?
Pretty much.
Oh.
I mean, there's downhill.
That's not that much climbing at all.
Yeah.
There's a loo up there. I'm going to go to the loo.
Oh, yeah.
Because this loo's got a neat view. The toilets here were adequate, just in case Dad comes here. He's always on the lookout for a pleasant loo.
Hazards Beach Camp, 1.5 hours, 4K.
Really?
That's us.
Nice. I can only fit so much, but I don't really want to go in this tree.
Oh, you don't have to go on the tree.
There's spiders in these trees.
Well, that's why I said you go. Because I sure as hell wasn't going.
I could have just died then.
And I do like boardwalk.
Quite nice.
Right, walk is that way. Birds.
There are. Found.
Look at it. Is it a starfish?
That is a starfish. Touch it.
No, I don't want to touch it.
That's probably poisonous. This is wise. I think it's dead.
Oh, it looks dead, doesn't it?
Looks very unalived.
The things you find on the beach.
Sounds quite abrasive. Oh wow, that's cold. Why is this water so cold?
Chelsea just asked if I was better now that I'm under. No, I'm cold.
Aaron went in. He took the plunge. Oh, cool.
Stop at Hazard's Bay. Hazard's Beach.
Yeah, I can't remember if it's Hazard's. I think it's Hazard's Beach. It was great. Clear water, sunbaking. I think I'm burnt.
The water was real cold, quite salty, so hopefully you get the sweat on to get the salt off. We're going that way for 25 hours and 55 k's. Quite a way.
Onwards. It's very burpy. Not that way.
Clouds coming on in. The ocean is looking less and less blue.
Which means we swam at the right time.
Yeah, I think so. The Australian boat scene, as seen from this rock. The rock bridge. That's pretty cool. 5 hours later, and we're back at the car park.
Woohoo! Wineglass Bay, look out.
To head across, and then down through this, and then back to here.
Oh, that does look pretty good.
This is exactly what I got done.
Post-walk resupply. Ready for another walk. Ready for another walk.
So we're just going on a little stroll through Sleepy Bay. There's a lot of bugs around here. We got a little bit burnt because we weren't sun smart.
Those rocks nearly look as red as us at the moment.
But I feel like a warm shower and some lotion. Some lotion will solve all of our problems.
Hopefully.
It's huge.
Does it echo?
Hello.
Oh wow, that's quite cavernous, isn't it?
There's a place that I went to in Australia. I know this is
And
Australia.
this is that place?
No, but it's very similar.
Oh, there's more over there.
Sleepy Bay, huh? I wouldn't be swimming here.
No, you'd end up sleeping very quickly.
Jeez.
Cheers! That was Sleepy Bay.
It was Sleepy Bay.
From here, we are heading up to the van, grab some water for the van,
Yep.
cook some dinner.
Yep.
And
Go find a spot to camp for the night.
tonight we are making leek, mushroom and sausage wraps, which will have the normal avocado and tomatoes in it, which makes for quite a nice wrap.
What an idiot. I was literally like, everything's back in there.
Van life is different to house life.
Just. Hiya.
That looks good.
Yeah, look good. Okay, do you know what a highlight is probably going to be?
The wash.
A shower, yes.
Right, we're gonna go and warm some water up for a shower and go for a shower up over there. Right, the sun is setting and we are staying here for the night. So that is as far as we go today.
It is. I'm actually looking forward to an early night. As in, I'm going to bed right now.
Right now. I will put the drone up and get some shots of the...
Sun setting over the lagoon.
That is the first day of 2025 done.
Yeah, 1st of Jan.